Hello everyone, it's Adam and I'm back with a CD that I've had in my collection a little while but I haven't opened yet, and this is the Bing Crosby orchestral CD. Now the reason why I'm opening it now is because I heard it on one of the radio shows recently. I thought actually that's a really nice version of White Christmas with the strings and stuff. So I've decided to take the plunge and open up the security sealed Bing Crosby and the London Symphony Orchestra. So come and join me and see what you think. Okay, so here I am. I'm just going to open up the wrapper. I'm just going to do that just here. Can be opened very easily. Just slide this out. And here's the actual CD. And let's just open it up. Wow, look at that. So it's on a Decca label, and the CD, as you'd expect, is in pristine condition. Not that much information on the disc, I have to say, so it's not going to be a long album. And this is the track listing that I've got just on here. Let's go and pop it in the CD player. Got some CD text as well, which is really nice. 39 minutes 21 seconds. So I'm just going to play it now and let's see how it's sounding. Let's get my remote control, which is just here. And let's pop it on. Just get the right selector, coaxial, just there. And we'll press play and see what happens. Beginning to recognize it because it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. There you go, you're welcome.